Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Natasha, your English teacher. Without any delay, let's begin Lesson 3 of Module 1. Sentence number 1 is, open the door. Use this as a direct command when you want someone to unlock or swing a door open for you. Sentence number 2 is, close the door. Use this as a direct command when you want someone to shut a door that is currently open. Sentence number 3 is, turn off the light. Use this as a direct instruction when you want someone to switch a light off to darken a room. Sentence number 4 is, turn on the fan. Use this as a direct instruction when you want someone to start a fan to cool down a room. Sentence number 5. Come with me. Use this as a direct invitation or command when you want someone to follow you to another location. Sentence number 6 is, keep quiet. Use this as a direct command when you want someone to stop talking or making noise. Sentence number 7 is, have your food. Use this as a friendly or direct instruction to tell someone to start eating their meal. Sentence number 8 is, change your clothes. Use this as a direct instruction when you want someone to put on a different set of clothes. Sentence number 9 is, hurry up. Use this as a direct command when you want someone to move or act faster because you are in a rush. Sentence number 10 is, I forgot. Use this as a simple explanation when you can no longer remember a specific piece of information or a task. Sentence number 11 is, it happens. Use this as a comforting or casual way to tell someone that a mistake or situation is common and not a big deal. Sentence number 12 is, never mind. Use this as a simple way to tell someone to forget what you just said or that it is no longer important. Sentence number 13 is, leave it. Use this as a direct instruction when you want someone to stop touching, doing, or worrying about something. Sentence number 14 is, let's see. Use this when you are waiting for a result or testing a new idea to see if it works. Sentence number 15 is, I doubt it. Use this to express that you do not believe something is likely to happen or be true. Subscribe for more videos and latest updates.